Ever feel like your money is playing hide and seek, and you're always the one searching? You're not alone. Keeping track of all your accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, even those investment accounts you keep meaning to look at, can feel like a full-time job. That's where budgeting apps like Pocketguard swoop in, promising to bring clarity to your financial life. But before you dive in, you're probably wondering, does Pocketguard actually work with my bank? Well, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of which financial institutions play nicely with Pocketguard. Think of Pocketguard as a digital financial hub, a central location where you can see all your financial activity in one organized view. To make this magic happen, it needs to connect securely to your various bank and credit card accounts. The good news is that Pocketguard boasts compatibility with a vast number of financial institutions. We're talking about the big national players you likely recognize, as well as many regional and community banks and credit unions. Chances are, if you have a mainstream banking account in Nigeria or internationally, Pocketguard can probably link to it. To give you a clearer picture, let's talk about some of the types of institutions that generally work with Pocketguard. You can typically link your accounts from major commercial banks. Think of names like GT Bank, First Bank, Zenith Bank, Access Bank, and United Bank for Africa, UBA, right here in Nigeria. Globally, this extends to institutions like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, Citibank, and HSBC. Beyond the big banks, Pocketguard also frequently connects with credit unions. These member-owned financial cooperatives often provide localized banking services, and many of them are integrated with Pocketguard. So, if you're a member of a credit union, it's highly likely you can link your accounts. Digital banks and online financial platforms are also increasingly compatible. If you're using neobanks or fintech companies for your banking needs, such as Kuda Bank, Opay, or MoneyPoint in Nigeria, or international platforms like Revolut or N26, you'll often find they integrate seamlessly with Pocketguard. This allows you to track your digital spending and balances alongside your traditional accounts. Credit card accounts, regardless of the issuing bank, are also a core part of Pocketguard's functionality. Whether it's a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover card issued by any bank, you can typically link it to get a holistic view of your spending and credit utilization. Now, while the vast majority of banks are compatible, there can occasionally be exceptions. Smaller, highly localized banks or institutions with very specific security protocols might not have direct integration. However, Pocketguard is continuously working to expand its list of supported institutions, so it's always worth checking directly within the app. So, how do you find out for sure if your bank links with Pocketguard? The easiest way is to simply try linking your account within the Pocketguard app itself. When you go through the process of adding an account, you'll be prompted to search for your financial institution. If it appears in the search results, you're good to go. Pocketguard uses secure, industry-standard protocols to establish a read-only connection to your accounts, ensuring your financial data is protected. Ultimately, Pocketguard aims to provide a comprehensive overview of your financial life, and that means connecting with as many financial institutions as possible. While we can't list every single bank here, the chances are high that your primary accounts will integrate without a hitch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.